Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Marcy! Hello! Have a happy birthday, Marcy. Wish you always in good health. And of course, to your nanay and tatay. May they're always in good health too. We love you, Marcy. Happy birthday!
Hi, Cicely and wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. Happy birthdays and more birthdays to come. And always good health. Stay pretty. God bless and your family. Bye.
Hello, Kap. In this special day of your life, I wish that you get more happiness and joy you deserve and all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. I love you. God bless and enjoy your day.
Hello, Captain CC Rams. It's me, Kukap Arlene, wishing you a happy birthday and more birthdays to come and good health always and more candles to blow, more birthdays to come. I hope na this day, your special day, ma-enjoy mo lahat in real family and also to your family and Star Maker. Sana matupad mo mga pangarap mo sa buhay at sana your both parents ay sana healthy sila kahit may sakit si papa mo. Sana malampasan yung mga sakit na dinudulot ng papa mo. At saka enjoy your day today. Yun lang, and happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Captain. I hope that many more years with your birthday. Hinaot, Captain, nga daghang pang mga katuigan maabot sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Anak ka sa maayong panglawas, kaabtik sa imong mga panglihok-lihok, uban sa imong tibok pamilya o mga kabanayan. God bless you. Thank you.
Hello, Biste. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best, Biste, including your family. May the Lord bless you always. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, Captain! Happy birthday to you! Wish ko lang makamit mo lahat ang dream mo sa buhay. And more birthday to come, and God bless and your family. I love you, Sisi!
Happy birthday, Sis Ryan!
Happy birthday po, CC Rams.
Yes, all the best po.
God bless po.
Good health to you and to your family, especially to your mom. Sana gumaling na siya.
Enjoy your birthday po.
Yes, and more blessings. And sana yung wini-wish mo na maging orange tag ka na, sana matupad na this birthday of yours. Okay? And thank you pala sa pag-join sa mga collabs ko.
Sa collabs niya.
Pwede ka rin mag-join sa collab niya.
Sa collabs niya po marami. Sandama. Addict po siya.
We.
Happy birthday po ulit.
Yes. Good luck to you and to your
All
family.
the best po.
And to your Star Maker family also. And yun, ingat palagi. And have a blast. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Enjoy your special day po.
Love, love. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Ayan, babati na rin ako sa'yo Happy birthday, Captain Ray Ems. More birthdays to come. Sana lahat ng wish nila sa'yo matupad. And enjoy SM lang po tayo. God bless, Sisi. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mr. Ems. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mr. Ems. Today is your birthday na. Tapos, alam ko na napaka-busy mo rin dahil sa mga magulang mo. Kahit busy ka sa pag-aalaga ng magulang mo, nandyan ka pa rin ng mag-assist sa mga member natin. At saka napaka-bote mo rin, Captain. At saka mahaba yung pasensya mo talaga. Kaya bilib ako sa'yo. Then minsan kahit hirap ka na rin, nandyan ka pa rin nagtuturo sa mga natin, sa mga member. Lalo na pag busy din ako, hindi ko rin maano sila. Nandyan ka lagi. Then, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, Bisti, alagaan mo rin yung katawan mo. Kasi alam kong pagod ka na rin sa pag-aalaga ng mama-papa mo. Pero continue lang kasi iisa lang yung mama-papa natin. Kaya, happy birthday, Bisti, and good health always. Basta alagaan mo rin yung katawan mo, huwag kang sumuko. Kasi alam kong napapagod ka na rin. Saka continue lang and always free na bigyan ka pa ng lakas din. Kasi may mama ka pa at saka papa inaalagaan. And thank you so much sa pag-assist mo lagi din sa family natin. Kapag may mga problema, magpapaturo, nandyan ka lagi. Minsan, hindi ko rin maano dahil alam mo naman din ako may trabaho kaya may ginagawa din ako kaya thank you. Tsaka pag wala ka sa family natin na malungkot din dahil kailangan dalawa tayo nagkatuwang. Minsan wala din yung iba nating Captain busy sa work. Kaya enjoy your day, Bisti. I love you. Always take care to yourself. Yun lang. And hantayin mong regalo ko. Mwah!
Happy birthday po. Dito si auntie, mag-regret din sa'yo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ikaw din ba, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday to you, dear sis Captain Ray Ems. Wishing you many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day with your someone special around you. God bless you and gives you more birthdays to come. Good health all year through. Thank you for having me in Lucky Nine family. You're a good friend and a good mentor too. Thank you for everything. We love you. Enjoy your special day. Alis putih som diborsa. had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, helps keeps me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. When we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keeps me together and believes without a doubt I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Thank you.
Hey Rames, happy birthday buddy, it's your day, make it large. Count your blessings, make your blessings count. You're one amazing person I've ever known, and it's your day. It's a beautiful birthday, just as beautiful and gorgeous you are. Always be kind and generous like you have always been. It's such a blessing to know a human being like you. One life, keep rocking Rames. Always love you, always my friend. Always being very close to my heart. Always keep you in my prayers. May you keep shining. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.